2, we are solving a question on percentage by mass. Percentage by mass. Now, how do we solve percentage by mass? You know you can solve this question. You can pause the video, then look at the answer whether I have the correct one. Moving on to the question, how do we solve percentage by mass? The formula for percentage by mass is simply the atom all over the compound multiplied by 100%. What does it mean? It means the number of atoms, or let me say the mass of atom that we are looking for all over the mass of the total compound present, then we multiply by 100%. This is how we solve percentage by mass. Now let's get to our question. Coming to our question, we are given what is the percentage of sulfur in sulfur oxide. Okay, we have to write or get rather the percentage of sulfur in sulfur oxide. How do you write sulfur oxide? That's SO2. So we want to know the percentage of sulfur in sulfur oxide. The very first thing you need to do, calculate the molecular mass of the compound. Getting the RMM, which is called relative molecular mass of SO2 rather. The molar mass of sulfur is known to be 32, while the molar mass of oxygen is known to be 16. So I'm going to apply it here. So I will say 32 plus 16 multiplied by 2 because we have 2 atoms of oxygen. So I'm going to have my answer to be 32 plus 16 times 2, that's also 32, and that gives me 64 grams per mole. So this is the molar mass of SO2. So the next thing is to get the percentage by mass of SO2. So the percentage by mass of S in SO2 will be the atom of X all over the compound itself multiplied by 100%. Now let's look at it. What is the atom of X? The atom of X, or the molar mass of X, is 32 all over. What do we get for the relative molecular mass for the SO2, which is sulfur oxide, and that will be 64. Then you multiply that by 100%. When I multiply that by 100%, 32 here is 1, 32 here is 2, and that's 0.5 multiplied by 100. 0.5 multiplied by 100 will give me 50%. So that means the percentage of sulfur in SO2 is 50%. Let's consider our option whether we have such an answer. Coming down to our option, the right answer stands as option C.